Hi folks, today one more challenge. Write a Fibonacci series. Okay, you know right what is the Fibonacci series? So like where each number is sum of the previous two numbers, where each number sum of the previous two numbers, right? So here the default first two numbers are 0 and 1. The default first two numbers are 0 and 1. What is the Fibonacci series? Let's example 0, 1. 0 plus 1, 1. And 1 plus 1, 2. And 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. This is the way you implement Fibonacci series, right? This is the way you implement Fibonacci series. Let's jump into the coding. Okay. I'm taking one arrow function, const Fibonacci series. I'm taking one arrow function. This function takes one argument, temps. Okay, this function takes one argument, temps. After that, I initialize an array. After that, I initialize one array. Within the array, default value is 0, 1. Const sequence 0, 1. Okay, I initialize one array. So after that, here I am taking one if condition. If terms equal to 1, simply return 0 within the string. Simply return 0. And after that, if terms 2 returns return sequence dot join method. Here I'm using sequence dot join method. Okay, so here if terms equal to 2, simply return sequence dot join. So it returns first two numbers of the Fibonacci sequence. It returns first two numbers of the Fibonacci series 0, 1 within the string format. 0, 1 within the string format. 0, 1. Okay. So after that, I am taking for loop for let I equal to 2 and I less than terms and I plus plus. Okay. For let I is equal to 2, I less than terms I plus plus. Okay. Within this, so here let I is equal to 2. I initialize 2 because the first two terms already in sequence, right? The first two terms already in sequence. So that's why I'm taking let I is equal to 2, I less than terms and I plus plus. Within this, I need to calculate const next Fibonacci simply sequence I minus 1 plus sequence I minus 2 sequence. Okay. So after that, sequence sequence within the sequence we need to push right. Next Fibonacci sequence dot I'm using here push method. Next Fibonacci. Okay. So finally return. Here I'm using sequence dot join method. Okay. This is the Fibonacci series. Okay. I'm taking one example. Const num equal to taking a mate. Okay. Simply console log I'm passing within this passing 8. Okay. I'm saving. I'm opening terminal window. See, this is the Fibonacci series 8. Here I'm taking value 8, 8 Fibonacci sequence 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 total. Okay, this is the Fibonacci sequence. So here I'm using iterative method. Here I'm using iterative method. This is the iterative method. Okay, this is the iterative method. So initially I'm taking one arrow function. It accepts one argument terms. Okay. So after that I initialize one array. It is a default values in the Fibonacci series 0, 1. So after that I'm taking if conditions. If terms equal to 1, simply returns 0. If terms equal to 2, returns sequence dot join method. Here I'm using comma separate value 0, 1 within the string format. Okay. After that I initialize 2. Let I is equal to 2 and I less than terms and I plus plus. So here I initialize 2 because the first two terms is already in the sequence. The first two terms is already in the sequence. Okay. And after that I calculated this thing. Simply next Fibonacci number by two numbers in the sequence. After that I add newly uh, simply newly created Fibonacci series I added here within this. Okay. Finally simply returns sequence dot join. This is the Fibonacci series. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.